Don't let regret be your retirement plan. Do you want to gain a deeper understanding of life and acquire wisdom while still in your teenage years? Many people only unlock life secrets once they retire at age 80, wishing they had known these things earlier in life. But what if you could learn from the experiences of others rather than going through the same struggles yourself? In this video, I'll share valuable life lessons specifically for teenagers who are serious about achieving their goals and building a successful future. Don't wait until retirement to gain wisdom. Let's get started on your journey to greatness today. Number 1. Extend your timeline. If you're feeling impatient and eager to achieve your goals, I want you to know that you're not alone. It's natural to want success and wealth as quickly as possible, especially in today's fast-paced world. But here's the thing. When you rush towards your goals, you're more likely to make mistakes, take shortcuts, and ultimately set yourself back. That's why I want to talk to you about the power of patience and the importance of extending your timeline. Success takes time and effort, and anyone who tells you otherwise is simply trying to sell you something. Scammers know that young people are vulnerable to get-rich-quick schemes. But the truth is, there are no shortcuts to lasting success. So instead of chasing after instant gratification and risking your future, why not take a step back and give yourself the gift of time? By extending your timeline and taking a more realistic approach, you can create a solid plan for success that's built to last. Whether you're dreaming of becoming a millionaire, a homeowner, or a successful entrepreneur, strategic planning and patience will take you much farther in the long run than any quick fix. In this video, I'll show you how to extend your timeline and create a plan for success that's tailor-made for you. We'll talk about setting realistic goals, breaking them down into manageable steps, and staying motivated along the way. And most importantly, we'll discuss the power of patience and how it can help you achieve lasting success on your own terms. So if you're ready to take your dreams to the next level, join me on this journey of self-discovery and growth. Together, we'll explore the real effort and dedication it takes to achieve your wildest dreams and live the life you've always wanted. Trust me, taking the time to plan is the best decision you'll ever make. Let's do this. Number 2. Have a purpose. Too often, we neglect the things that make us who we truly are. But ask yourself, what do you really want out of life? Simply picking one thing and hoping for the best won't cut it. If your subconscious doesn't know where to focus, how can you expect to achieve your goals? Join me as we explore the importance of having a clear purpose and learn how to turn your dreams into reality. Take the time you need to discover your purpose, whether it takes days, months, or even years. Once you've found your clear and well-defined purpose, don't just sit back and hope for the best. As a teenager, it's easy to go with the flow and let life take you where it will. But if you want to truly thrive, you need to have a purpose and stick to it. Work hard and stay committed until it becomes a part of who you are. When you have that kind of clarity and focus, age becomes irrelevant and your potential knows no bounds. Join me as we explore the power of purpose and learn how to tap into your inner genius. Number 3. Be a gentleman. What does it take to be a true gentleman? It's simple. Class, sophistication, values, and a personality that's true to yourself, not just for show. But let's be real. The sad truth is that society is lacking in gentlemen these days. It's not just clueless teenagers, but even grown men who don't know how to act with basic respect. And no wonder that women ignore them completely. To be a gentleman means to uphold your honor above all else, treating everyone with politeness and respect. You don't let anger get the best of you, instead choosing to simply walk away from conflict. But those who are important to you, you hold on to tightly, never letting them slip away. As a teenager, you may be put to the test when it comes to showing your gentleness, especially with a girl. Whether you're going on a date or just spending time together, being a gentleman means picking her up, treating her with care and respect, and always paying for dinner. These values should be non-negotiable, no matter what happens. By adopting this personality, you'll stand out in a world where true gentlemen are hard to find, and you'll earn the respect and admiration of those around you. Let me ask you a quick question before we move forward. Are you finding this video helpful and informative? If so, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on future content designed to help you live your best life. Alright, let's get back to it. Number 4. Learn high-income skills. That's something every teenager wants to skip, but it's also something they can't afford to ignore. You're not here by accident. You're here because you want to learn, and that's the first step towards a brighter future. So, let me be clear. Don't waste your time on things that won't pay off in the long run. Instead, start learning high-income skills. These skills are your key to financial independence and they'll pay off both now and in the future. Skills like content writing, copywriting, marketing, and sales will always be in demand. And for good reason. They require the special human touch, something that AI and robots can never fully replicate. So don't wait until it's too late. Start developing these skills now. Sure, there may be some jobs that disappear in the near future due to automation, but the skills I just told you about are timeless. They're essential for any business, and they'll never go out of style. And even if you don't choose to work in the future, having these skills will still be valuable. You can use them to start your own business, freelance, or simply supplement your income. So, start learning these skills today and secure your financial future. Don't be left behind. Number 5. Invest now. Yes, you might think that investing is something only grown-ups do, but let me tell you, you are not an ordinary teenager. You have the power to shape your financial future starting today. Investing is a miracle where your money works for you instead of you working for it. When you invest, your money grows exponentially over time, creating a passive income stream that can fund your dreams and ambitions. Imagine starting with just $100 and seeing it grow to $1,000 within a few years. That's the power of investing. And the best part, you don't have to invest a huge amount to get started, whether it's $20, $10, or even $5 a week. Every dollar you put into an investment account will grow over time. Don't let the fear of the unknown hold you back from securing your financial future. Start investing today and watch your money work for you while you focus on building the life you want to live. Number 6. Reputation is everything. Did you say you would be there for your friend in their time of need? Then be there for them, no matter how inconvenient it may be for you. Did you commit to a project deadline at work? Then do everything in your power to deliver it on time, even if it means working extra hours. Every promise you make, every word you speak, holds value and reflects on your reputation. People remember those who keep their promises and stick to their word. They seek out reliable individuals and build trust with them, knowing that they can count on them in the future. On the other hand, those who don't follow through on their commitments lose credibility and eventually become unreliable. As a man, your reputation is your greatest asset. It's the foundation upon which you build trust and respect with others. Guard it fiercely and make sure that every action you take, every word you speak, reinforces your reputation as a person of integrity. This will take you far in life, opening doors and opportunities that might otherwise have been closed to you. So make it a habit to always keep your promises and honor your commitments, no matter how small or big they may be. Number 7. Nothing good happens after 2 a.m. Staying up past 2 a.m. might feel like the perfect way to make the most of your night, but it comes with a hefty price tag. When you sacrifice sleep for the sake of late-night activities, you're gambling with your mental health and future success. Your brain needs time to rest and consolidate what you've learned during the day. But if you're too busy scrolling on your phone or binging on your favorite TV show, you're depriving it of that crucial downtime. Studies have shown that sleep plays a vital role in boosting your cognitive abilities and intelligence. It strengthens your neuron network, allowing your brain to function at its highest capacity. But when you push your body beyond its limits, you're doing more harm than good. Over time, you'll start to notice that you're not as sharp as you used to be, and your productivity will suffer as a result. Don't let the allure of the night convince you to sacrifice your sleep. Remember that nothing good happens after 2 a.m., and it's crucial to prioritize your rest if you want to achieve your goals and succeed in life. So the next time you feel tempted to stay up past your bedtime, think twice and hit the hay instead. Let's take a quick look back at the key points you need to keep in mind to achieve success. 1. Give yourself more time. Don't rush your goals, and remember that you have plenty of time to achieve them. 2. Find your purpose. Make sure you have a clear understanding of what you want in life and make it a fundamental part of your being. 3. Earn respect by being a gentleman. Actions speak louder than words, so let your behavior speak for itself. 4. Learn high-income skills that have lasting value. Don't chase fleeting trends. Focus on skills that will continue to be in demand in the future. 5. Start investing your money now. Let your money work for you and grow exponentially over time. 6. Your reputation is everything. Protect it at all costs, as it can open doors and provide opportunities for a lifetime. 7. Sleep is essential for your brain's health and your overall success. Never sacrifice sleep. especially after 2 a.m. when your brain needs time to regenerate and help you find creative solutions to life's challenges. Do you want to incorporate these lessons into your personality or learn them through trial and error? It's always better to learn from someone else's experience and not waste your time. Make sure to save this video and watch it daily as a reminder of what you should do. Let me know in the comments if there are any lessons you already knew as a teenager. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next video.